Hi, namaste everyone. Welcome to the channel again. I'm Yong. For this tutorial, we want to learn how to bunny hop. I gotta tell you that bunny hop used to be something that bothered me so long time. I used to practice bunny hop like every day, and I recorded it down my progress each day of practicing it. And I remember, yeah, I have that. I have those videos in my Instagram. I was so bad, but it was such a fun time practicing because it's a fundamental practice. I think if you want to jump up to your handstand eventually, so bunny hop is a really good practice to build up your strength and get used to the feeling of inverted and also of jumping up. Okay, so you're not scared of jumping. You want to eventually jump up with a very stable, strong kick or jump, and then go to your handstand eventually. What does it require for you to practice bunny hop? For me, I think the requirements are very minimum. You cannot be afraid of doing this thing, because when you are afraid, you have the fear in you, and you will drop and you will fall easily. Okay, so first of all, you have to have a strong or good understanding of what is bunny hop, and do not be afraid of it. Okay, and then of course you need to have your arm strength a little bit, because you are like doing a handstand. Okay, although it's hopping, you want to hop strong and stable. Okay, you want to have control, so you want to do a protraction of your shoulders so much. It's like you are doing pushing the floor away and keep your ears away from your shoulders all the time. Okay, you don't want to sink down. Okay, once you sink down, it's very difficult for you to push it up again. Okay, of course you need to have a core strength on your legs. If you have a very strong core, you will feel that when you jump up, it's like floating, instead of like you jump and then you want to quickly come back down because you're afraid and because you have not enough of core. And of course the legs a little bit, I would say a little bit, because you need to bend the knees. So let's look into this movement. We'll always start from downward facing dog, but from downward facing dog, a big distance between your palms and your feet. This is very difficult to hop. Okay, so you want to get closer. If you're beginners, of course, you want to get your feet closer to your palms, and then try to make a strong downward facing dog. You want to bring your hips up, make your body back flat, getting used to the feeling. So you want to bring yourself forward and back for a few times maybe. Okay, of course you want to also warm up your wrists, your fingers before you do this. Try to swing further until your tiptoes, so it's almost like an inverted feeling for a few rounds. Then come back, heels down. Then you want to prepare yourself, look in between your palms. Okay, bend the knees, heels up. You exhale here, inhale, you hop slightly, exhale down. Okay, look how we need to jump up with control. If you are not using your breath, you don't inhale up, you may panic. You jump up and you want to quickly come down. We want to stay up there as long as possible. That is the mission. Eventually we want to be able to hold up there to go up to our handstand. Okay, alright, let's try one more time. Bend the knees, look in between your palms, and then inhale, bring your hips up, exhale. Then slowly we want to bring our heels closer to the buttocks, okay, so that we can engage our core more. Bend the knees, inhale, get higher, knees together, and then slowly go down with control. For beginners, you are so afraid to jump up so high because you are afraid to fall down or topple. So you can jump with the wall, but try not to lean and rely on the wall so much. So from here you want to jump with control. Once your feet touch the wall, you need to support, then you come back up.
exhale, inhale, exhale. You don't want to make yourself rely a lot on the wall so that you do not use your core and you do not use your arm. You just want the wall to help you. That is not the purpose of us practicing the bunny hop. So from here, then slowly maybe, if you want to get more challenging, you can get further from the palms, okay? So that eventually from downward facing dog, you can jump up to your bunny hop or your handstand. Inhale, exhale. If possible, stay in the air for one breath, inhale, all the way exhale, then come down, okay? But of course, if you can hold for longer breath, why not? Inhale, bring your knees together, exhale down. So sometimes it works for me, sometimes it doesn't. So keep practicing. Down. As I said, get closer, your feet closer to your palms will be easier. Okay, you have more control if it's closer. You want to push your whole palms down, bend the knees, and then try again. Eventually, you may not need to jump so much. You need to just use a bit of your control. You want to bring your hips up, don't bend too much, okay? And then inhale. Then you can go up to your handstand. After your practice of bunny hop, remember to counter your arms, your wrist, shake your arms. And if you want to practice again, you can do so. So eventually you want to practice jumping up to your bunny hop and stay there for a longer time so that you can try to slowly straighten your legs and go to your handstand practice. Hope this practice and this tutorial helps you. Alright, see you guys again. Namaste, thank you.